What's up guys, my name is Rube and today I'm gonna walk you through on how to play Patrick Kubuya, Sijaona Kama Wewe. So this is a response to a request made by one of you guys, so you can always feel free to let me know of any songs that you'd want me to do tutorials on. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and also give this video a thumbs up if it helps you out. So guys, with no further ado, let's kick off right after this. This song is in the key of F sharp and the progression is 4 1 5 6 4 1 5 6, and the chords that I'm playing are B chord, F sharp major chord, C major chord, C sharp major chord, and D minor chord. So the B chord, I'm using my pointer finger to bar the second fret from string 1 to 5, or you can just press or play, on the 5th string, 2nd fret, and then my ring finger, I am barring the 4th, 3rd, and the 2nd string with my ring finger. So this is B chord. F major chord, F sharp major chord, I'm barring with my pointer finger the 2nd fret with my pointer finger, and then with my ring finger, my middle finger, string number 3 on the 3rd fret, my ring finger, string number 5 on the 4th fret, and my small finger, string number 4 on the 4th fret. So that's F sharp major chord. So the chord that follows is a C sharp major chord. So C sharp major chord, my pointer finger, you can either bar from string 1 to 5 or just press on string number 5 on the 4th string, string number 5 on the 4th fret, and with your ring finger, with your ring finger, fret number 6 on string number 4, 3, and 2. So if you bar the 4th, 3rd, and the 2nd string on the 6th fret, that would be C sharp major chord. And then finally the D minor chord. So D minor chord, I am barring the 6th fret with my pointer finger, then with my middle finger, string number 2 on the 7th fret, my ring finger, string number 4 on the 8th fret, and my small finger, string number 3 on the 8th fret. This is D sharp minor chord. I think I said D minor chord. It's D sharp minor chord. So that's the chords that comprise the progression, and it's the same from start to end. So that's how you'd you play the chord progression. So it's B, then B chord, F sharp, C sharp major chord, D minor chord, D sharp minor chord. Sorry, I keep saying D minor chord. It's D sharp minor chord. So maybe the strumming pattern, you could use this strumming pattern. So D, it's down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. So you can use that strumming pattern. So guys, well, that's it for this tutorial. The song is the same chord progression from start to end, and always feel free to let me know of any songs that you want me to do tutorials on. And if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing, And also give this song, this video a thumbs up, because it really helps with the ranking of these videos on YouTube. So with that, guys, let's see each other on the next tutorial. Ciao.